Starting a vegan diet is one thing, but starting a vegan diet to lose weight is a whole other thing. Watch this video to see how to lose weight on a vegan diet with this easy-to-follow meal plan. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. It's important to keep in mind that eating a vegan diet does not automatically equate to weight loss. There's plenty of vegan junk food readily available now, so just because it's labeled vegan doesn't mean it's healthy or will aid in weight loss. So how does one lose weight? Weight loss as a concept is very simple. It comes down to calories in versus calories out. You want to burn more calories than you're consuming. Starting any diet to lose weight can be overwhelming, so to make life easier, I created this simple vegan meal plan for weight loss. This meal plan utilizes the research from my vegan weight loss article and puts it into an actionable plan. How to use this vegan weight loss plan. This vegan meal plan is meant to be used for educational purposes for adults 18 years and older and is not designed for those that are pregnant or breastfeeding. This does not replace advice from a medical professional or registered dietitian. Talk to your doctor before starting a new diet. This meal plan focuses on a low-fat, whole-food plant-based diet. This means focusing on foods in their whole, unprocessed form such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It aims to avoid animal products and highly processed foods, though some minimally processed foods in moderation such as soy milk or whole grain bread are included. Whole foods are the easiest way to maintain a calorie deficit and promote weight loss without having to go hungry all the time. Whole foods are more filling and less calorie dense, so they fill us up without overeating. You're probably thinking this sounds completely unappetizing, and I hear you. I thought the same thing too at first, but the key to great tasting food is seasonings and sauces. We're not eating big boring salads here. To make weight loss sustainable, we've brought you the best recipes that are not only healthy, but delicious too, with the most incredible seasonings and sauces. Meals you'll actually look forward to eating. No willpower needed. This is the best way to lose weight. When you enjoy what you're eating, it doesn't feel like a diet. Customize the meal plan to your unique needs. This meal plan has lower calories, average 1,200 calories per day, as a baseline so that you can build upon it and customize it to your unique needs by adding servings, snacks, and dessert. For sustainable weight loss, it is recommended to decrease maintenance calories by no more than 15%. When you go above 20%, it can be difficult to maintain and can lead to nutrient deficiencies. If you're not sure what your maintenance calories are, you can use this easy vegan calorie calculator. For example, if you calculate that your maintenance calories is 2,000 calories, then you should aim to consume around 1,700 calories per day for sustainable weight loss. You can also swap out the meals if they are not to your liking. Just look for recipes with similar calories per serving. Week 1 Vegan Weight Loss Meal Plan. Monday. Breakfast, banana cream pie smoothie. Lunch, 2 servings of crispy vegan tofu tacos. Dinner, 1 pot vegan feta pasta. Tuesday. Breakfast, scrambled tofu breakfast sandwich. Lunch, 2 servings of crispy vegan tofu tacos. Dinner, 1 pot vegan feta pasta. Wednesday. Breakfast, banana cream pie smoothie. Lunch, vegan hearts of palm ceviche with a handful of tortilla chips. Dinner, 1 pot vegan feta pasta. Thursday. Breakfast, scrambled tofu breakfast sandwich. Lunch, vegan hearts of palm ceviche with a handful of tortilla chips. Dinner, chili sin carne. Friday. Breakfast, protein chia bowl. Lunch, chili sin carne. Dinner, edamame quinoa stir-fry bowl. Saturday. Breakfast, fluffy vegan pancakes with berries and maple syrup. Lunch, edamame quinoa stir-fry bowl. Dinner, chili sin carne. Sunday. Breakfast, fluffy vegan pancakes with berries and maple syrup. Lunch, chili sin carne. Dinner, edamame quinoa stir-fry bowl. Week 2 Vegan Weight Loss Meal Plan. Monday. Breakfast, banana bread overnight oats. Lunch, sweet potato and chickpea mason jar salad with maple tahini dressing. Dinner, vegan pasta bake. Tuesday. Breakfast, banana bread overnight oats. Lunch, sweet potato and chickpea mason jar salad with maple tahini dressing. Dinner, vegan pasta bake. Wednesday. Breakfast, zesty raspberry smoothie. Lunch, sweet potato and chickpea mason jar salad with maple tahini dressing. Dinner, vegan pasta bake. Thursday. Breakfast, chocolate peanut butter banana protein smoothie. Lunch, Mediterranean nourish bowl. Dinner, 1-pot coconut lentil curry. Friday. Breakfast, strawberry oatmeal breakfast smoothie. Lunch, 1-pot coconut lentil curry. Dinner, Mediterranean nourish bowl. Saturday. Breakfast, strawberry oatmeal breakfast smoothie. Lunch, summer blackberry salad with cashew ricotta. Dinner, 1-pot coconut lentil curry. Sunday. Breakfast, thick mixed berry smoothie. Lunch, 1-pot coconut lentil curry. Dinner, summer blackberry salad with cashew ricotta. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.